Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility, Windows 10/11 or a recent Linux kernel. Once done, download the updated Zebronics driver for your architecture because built-in drivers can be outdated. Next, plug the Wi-Fi USB mini adapter into a rear USB 3.0 port. This gives stable power and throughput. You should see a device recognition pop-up or DMESC entry. If the system asks for a driver file, point it to the downloaded package. Proceed with the installer so the kernel module or Windows driver registers. Once the driver is active, open your network settings and enable the Zebronics adapter. You will want to choose 2, 4 or 5 GHz depending on range versus speed. Scan for your SSID, enter the WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase, and decide DHCP or a static IP. DHCP is simpler for most users. Make sure Device Manager shows the adapter without errors. Or, on Linux, confirm the kernel module with lsmod and check link status with uconfig. This verifies you have a negotiated connection and correct IP routing. You finish by locking in settings. Set the preferred band, disable aggressive power saving, and run a quick speed test to confirm performance versus your Ethernet baseline. Then update drivers or firmware if an update is listed. This fixes stability and security. Make sure your router uses WPA2/WPA3 and a strong passphrase to protect the link. If things go wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Reinsert the adapter, reboot, and reinstall the driver. This resolves most recognition and handshake failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.